Babe.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm making sure that the candles don't have wax building up on the side, that it all burns down at the same time.
You're what?
Okay, so wax isn't burning. These candles are really like big and round, and there's not enough heat to heat up all the wax around the edges of the glass.
So you're sacrificing a wine opener?
It's a really nice wine opener, so it's not burning or like smoking or anything. So it works.
So what are you doing? You're trying to take the unmelted wax around the edges?
Yeah, come here. Come a little closer and I'll show you what I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay, so like this wax right here wasn't burning or like melting around the edges. It was just like this, like up against the edges. So I pushed it down in it so it'll get a little bit closer to the flame and melt. And now I'm going to go around with a lighter, like a
lighter,
a grill lighter, and I'm going to heat up the little bit of wax that's still stuck to the side. So it
you know
looks
what
like a
you
nice
really ought
clean
to do?
glass.
You know what you really ought to do?
What?
Let's go ahead and put them up in the oven.
No.
You know, really, though, it's a good idea.
It's not a good idea.
I mean, if you're going to get that OCD with it, why not?
That's not necessary. This is a pretty easy
Is
fix.
any of this
It's a
necessary?
yeah, it is. 'Cause I'm a candle person. I like my candles to burn
Perfectly.
Yeah, perfectly.
Would you agree that you might be getting OCD with it?
With my candles, yes, because I buy candles from the Dollar Tree, and those candles will burn all the way down to the bottom, and there will just be wax all over the glass.
You're right.
And I don't like that. I like...
You don't think you're kind of splashing some up?
Well, if you catch it early enough, then you ain't going to put out the wicks. You're still going to have plenty of wick above the wax. Where if you wait long enough, then you're going to drown out the wick with the wax. So you got to do this as you go.
The wickety
You can't
wax.
let it go too far if you're going to do what I'm doing right now.
Wickety wax. What, you're heating it and melting it back off of the wine opener?
Yeah, now you see right here where there's wax?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that? Does the camera see that?
Mm-hmm. Look at our dirty little tray.
See how you can see it right here, right?
Uh-huh. I know that's from you because that wax was never that high. Oh.
And now you can just do this and make it all pretty again.
Oh.
So just melt all that wax.
Wow.
Back down.
Candle maintenance 101 with David Jenkins.
Well, I mean...
Well, that's pretty good. I was kind of teasing on you, but... Okay. I stand corrected.
You're just going to go along and melt all that wax.
Wow.
Right back down into your candle. So...
Careful not to get that lighter too deep into the wax.
Oh, of course.
It might not light back up. It's a cheapie. Wow, that works pretty well. Look at you.
So, here's one side of it.
All right, we'll keep doing what you're doing. I'm going to refill our wine.
Okay, baby.